Okay, welcome to part 2. First thing I want you to do in this video is have a little practice. Can you find out the surface area of these triangular prisms? I've made these a bit easier because I've told you all of the lengths that you need to know, so you do not need to know Pythagoras for these two questions, but beware, there will be questions later where you need to know Pythagoras. So stop your video and have a go. Okay, here's the answers. If any doubt whatsoever, ask. Please ask if you're not sure. Okay, right. Now, here is another question. This is another prism. This is a trapezoidal prism. Okay, and we've got to find out the surface area. Well, how many faces are there? Well, there are 6. Okay, there's 6 faces. What we've got is 2 trapeziums. Okay, 2 trapeziums, so that's the ones I'm doing in yellow, that are actually the same size. So that's convenient because it stops me from having to do too much work. But we've also got some rectangles. Here's one rectangle. Okay, and here's another rectangle. Here's another rectangle. And down the bottom, another rectangle. And I think they're all different sizes, those rectangles. So I'm going to do the rectangles first because they're relatively easy. Okay. What I know about my rectangles is they all have a base of 17. Okay, they all have a base of 17. So rectangle 1, I'm going to call this one here, this rectangle here, is a base of 17, and we're told a height of 13. Okay, I'm just going to use my calculator to do 17 times 13, which is 221. Rectangle 2, so just go round in order. If you go round in order, you won't forget. It's got a base of 17 and a height of 6. Okay, which I think is what, 102 centimetres squared. Now this one here, base of 17 again, height of 15. See how easy it is for me to work when I've established that it's always 17 times something. So 17 times 15. 17 times 15 is equal to 255. Okay, and the fourth one, the one at the bottom, that's this one here. Base of 17, height of 20, which is 340. Okay. Now what I've got to do is find the area of the 2 trapeziums. Well, remember the formula for the area of a trapezium. Area is equal to A plus B times height divided by 2, where A and B are the parallel sides. So that means we've got 6 plus 20. These are the parallel sides. And H is the perpendicular distance between them. So that's 12. So times 12. And then divide your answer by 2. So the answer is going to be 26 times 6 is equal to 156. Okay, so let's just write that down. 6 plus 20 times 12 over 2 is equal to 156. And the other one at the back is exactly the same. So now I know I've counted all 6 faces of this trapezoidal prism. So let's add up all those faces together. So 156 times 2 plus 340 plus 255 plus 102 plus 221. And I'm getting an answer of 1230 centimetres squared. Let's check my answer. There it is, 1230 centimetres squared. If I'd got it wrong, I wouldn't have cried about it. I wouldn't have left it. I would have just gone away and tried to think again. See if I can work out what mistake I've made. Okay? Effort, people. It requires effort. Right, let's stop the video there and